Hope y'all know the vibes. It is Smoovelifer time. We're back with it, you guys. We are back with a banger today. Yeah, how my Smoovelifer's been? Y'all be doing good? Yeah, me too, man. Smooth gang. Make sure I keep it positive all 2023. But today, usually my videos are action-packed, like racing or some type of crazy stuff going on. But today, I want to talk about something that's hurting me, the Chevy community, and the Camaro community in all today, man. So the elephant in the room is that Camaro's are being discontinued in 2023 or 2024 actually. I just want to talk about some things that I feel like is crazy that Chevy has done and really gave the Camaro not a chance at all. So first things first, let's look at the car. Let's talk about how beautiful the Camaro Z01 is. Not just Z01s, SS's, the V6s, they all have like the same type of body style. But let's just look at this real quick before I get into my rant about Chevrolet not giving the Camaro a chance in hell to be great. Look at those wheels, man. Now I got the fat tires. You know, mine's a little minor, so I got the tires on there. Nothing too crazy. Okay, guys, so first things first. Camaro's, they've been discontinued before. They were discontinued, I think, in 2002, I think. Yeah, they were discontinued in 2002. It was 4 generations before that. And they discontinued it, which I think sales is the problem again. But my thing is, Chevy doesn't promote Camaro or Corvettes, I feel like, as good as they should, like how Mopar promotes the Hellcat or the Dodge. You feel me? How they promote the Hellcats, Charger, Challenger, Trackhawks, you feel me? Or just how they promoted Viper too. They had a whole commercial with the Viper. You feel me? The best publicity a Camaro got was in the movie Transformers, which that got everybody wanting to get a Camaro. That's when that 5th-gen came out. That 5th-gen body style, which is most people's favorite body style of Camaros. I originally had a 5th-gen in high school, and that's what got me started on my Camaro journey. This is my third. I'm 22 years old. This is my third Camaro I had by the time of me being 22, and it's a Z01. So y'all guys know I have an addiction and where I want to spend my money at. So yeah, 4 generations. It were 4 generations of Camaro. They were discontinued in 2020. I'm tripping. They were discontinued in 2002. I'm talking fast. It's cold out here. So they were discontinued in 2002 for sales, or I guess low generation of generating money, I guess. And then it came back in 2009, I think, for the 2010 model, which was the 5th-gen SS. They had a 5th-gen SS, SS1LE. Well, that was until 2015, I guess. But then they had the Z01, which is the 5th-gen version of this car. So that was alright. That was cool. That was like Chevy's like comeback of the Camaro. Then we go on to 2016. That's when the 6th-gen came out, which is my favorite body style for performance, looks, and just being sleek all together. Which you have a SS. No, you have a inline 4 turbo with V6, a SS1LE, or the SS and the SS1LE, and then you have a Z01 and a Z01 1LE, which is the track version of this car, which is the Big Mac Daddy package from Chevy for Camaros. So those are the Camaro trims we have. And listen, Chevrolet hasn't made an update to Camaros since 2017. Well, 2018 is when the track package came, but the performance-wise of the transmission, the engine, just everything, the rear diff, nothing has changed since 2017 for Chevrolet when it comes to Camaros. Now we see Dodge has a Hellcat, Hellcat Red Eye, Hellcat Super Stock, Hellcat Red Eye Jailbreak, Demon. Ford has the Ford Mustangs, the EcoBoosts, the 5.0s, the Roush package 5.0s, GT500, GT350, GT350R. So when it comes to Camaros, we can't even compete with the newer 2020 and up cars because they haven't came out with nothing to compete with that. So everybody that we're racing from 2017 technology, which is crazy. They haven't gave us an update in years, bro. So 650 horsepower, 650 torque, that was a monster in 2017. It was faster than the Hellcat, faster than the S197 GT500. It was the top dog until they came out with a Hellcat Red Eye, which kind of messed up some things for stock Z01s. And also they came out with the GT500 in 2020, which, tell you the truth, guys, this is no match for a 2020 GT500. Not at all. I had to do my bolt-ons for me to have a same 6130. I think mine is a 2/10 faster than the stock GT500 6130. So, yeah, we dropped the ball on that. But that's one of the overall things I want to talk about, how we haven't got an update in years, and the fact that we haven't got no type of commercials. We haven't got anything to promote the Camaro, the brand, nothing. I think we had one appearance in a movie on Netflix, which is crazy to me, honestly. I feel like we've been, like, we've been done a disservice, I feel like. Which is insane to me, because this is a beautiful car, and this is a lot of people's dream cars, just people's lifestyle, which is mine also, man. So it's like I'm getting forced to buy a Corvette, a Hellcat, or a GT500. So it's outrageous. I guess this is the puppy the puppy vlog now.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Come on, Sophie.
It's okay.
They need a run so bad.
Oh, price standpoint. So right now, a 2023 stock Z01 MSRP is around like $70K, $71,000, which I think in this market is really $80,000 with the markups that they do and the dealer fees and all that. So 2023, you're buying a brand new Z01 for just about $80K. Now let's think about what you can buy with $80K. Let's think about like how smart of a situation it is. But I feel like Z01s will go up in value once they're discontinued, because they're a great car and they look pretty, and I mean, I guess it's just pure like market value. It's okay.
Your car's hot.
I appreciate it.
All right.
You have a good day. She said my car was hot. She wanna fuck me now. Stop. What would you spend with $80K? And I feel like these would go up in value once they're discontinued and all, because I mean, I guess quantity. Oh, I guess look. So let's think about it how a market goes and market value. More people want it, but they're not being made. So just like how it was a chip shortage, how everything went up, I feel like it'll be the same with Camaro's. Not every single year, not every single trim, but I think Z01s will for sure go up because they're the top performing Camaro that they have. Z01 and Z01 LE. So I feel like after 2023, my car is worth probably like $54K right now, 50 to mid 50s. I think it might go up to like at least like high 50s. Who knows? Depending on mileage and depending on miles, depending on who wants to buy it. It's all about selling your car to the right buyer. Buying a brand new Z01, $80K, you can get a Z06, a UC7 Z06. You can get a GT500 now for $80K. So Chevy's kind of putting Camaro in a weird spot, I feel like, because if you're spending $80K and you can get a GT500 for $80K, I've seen it. You can get a C7 Z06, which is this same car but lighter, sleeker, flashier, and it's a statement. It also is an old man's car though. You got to get your Monarchs and your your khaki shorts and your button up, but it's okay, man. It's part of the process. Okay, so that's that. So Z01 Camaro, we are getting discontinued, and I am sad, and I don't know how to feel about it and all, because this was my car, my dream car growing up. In college, I had pictures of this on my wall. It was my screensaver in high school, and I said by 2020, well, I said by 2021 I'll have, no, 2023. I got it in 2022, so that is something. I bought this car when I was 21 too, so it's crazy. And I think I'm gonna do a video showing you guys how much I paid for it, how I afforded it, and like just my APR as a 21-year-old and how much I financed and all that stuff. I think I should tell you guys one day. I feel like I've had it long enough to give you guys the information to let people know of my age or a little younger, a little older, how to get into a car like this at a young age. Affordable, reasonable, and I've compared my statistics to other people, and I've been paying less, have a lower APR than people that's twice my age, probably make twice my income. So just give out some type of financial, I guess, quotes and pieces for people that's young that want to get into cars like this. So yeah, it's sad that Camaro's getting discontinued. I've really been rambling back and forth about stuff, but it's kind of heartbreaking to know that the car that I loved and dreamed of is getting discontinued while everybody else is. I mean, Hellcat's getting discontinued, but Dodge already has their, what is it, the Goal, or what is the Dodge, the electric Dodge car? Oh yeah, they're getting rid of this car for a fucking 4-door electric sedan. That's what GM said, a 4-door electric sedan. So GM just wants to have Corvette, and isn't Corvette, I've seen talks and stuff. I'm not the person, I'm not the best. I wouldn't say I'm a person that just believe about everything. I'm not a source from GM. I just do a lot of research and look up stuff. I'm guessing Corvette is going to be its own brand at General Motors. and they're gonna just throw the Camaro away. I feel like the Camaro will come back later on, but they're just gonna throw the Camaro away, basically because sales and everything is going electric, which I think they're gonna regret. Ford is smart. Mustang, they're still keeping the Mustang. They have the 5.0 that makes around, Dark Horse are making around 500 horsepower crank. They have a dual intake throttle bodies. It's crazy, bro. And imagine all the Camaro people going to buy Ford and Mustang, man. That's gonna bring Ford so much business that Chevy's not even thinking about. Like, they're really tweaking, bro. Like, I don't know, man. Maybe I'm just a Camaro fanboy. Maybe they had a class decision or a big vote. Goofies, in my opinion. But matter of fact, let's listen to the Z01 just because they want to disrespect it. But this is what you could be owning if you chose to buy, if you got a Camaro with an LT4 in it, with a full exhaust, of course. Yes. And they want to discontinue that, bro. That is crazy. This is what they want to discontinue. Bro. I wake up every morning to this when I drive this car, bro, and I don't know what I would be doing in life if I didn't have this right now. How happy I would be if I'd be depressed. Who knows, man? Like, it's crazy. Like, just listen. Man, listen. Best interior out of the Corvette and Camaro is the Camaro. Everything is ambient light lit up. Ambient light right here, ambient light right here. You can choose the color of the ambient light. Look at the seats. Recaro on that thing, man. Big Recaro, red seat belts. It's outrageous, bro. I added the carbon on the listening. You probably can't see because of the lighting, but bro, like, it's crazy. Are we going to all switch over to Ford? Are we going to switch over to Dodge with the electric Hellcat, whatever you want? I don't even know what it's called anymore. I don't even care about it because I really want Camaro's to stay, you guys. What are we going to do as a Camaro family, Chevy family? Are we going to hop over to different brands, or are we going to stay true, get Corvettes and get the electric sedan, I guess? I can't promise y'all that one. I really cannot. But we have until 2024 to enjoy and purchase a brand new Z01, and I just feel like time is gonna go by so fast. We're just gonna eventually forget about Camaros and all, bro, and it's gonna be sickening and hurting to the community and hurt the community. And I know y'all see all the racetracks going away. Like, I feel like me growing up as a kid, I went to racetrack with my father, seeing a lot of crazy stuff, a lot of fast cars, loud noises, and that which kind of got me into this world. And the fact that you see all the racetracks are getting shut down, the drag strips are getting shut down, they're renovating everything that has to do with race cars. California, you can't have loud exhaust. New York, you can't have loud exhaust. You get tickets just for driving your car at the speed limit just for it being loud. So who knows how long we're able to enjoy our gas powered, our motored, my God, our like a supercharger on a V8, like a twin turbo on a V8, an NA V8. Like, how long are we gonna be able to enjoy this? You see all the supercar people are going, the supercar, like McLaren, they're going from twin turbo V8s to twin turbo V6s. Oh my God, Lamborghini's going to more of a hybrid type supercar. Bro, it's just insane. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope y'all don't get sad about it. I hope I didn't talk too fast and talk too much about nonsense. Hope you guys like understand where I was coming from. We're like, we've been discontinued once. This is our second time being discontinued. And Chevy complains about sales, but they don't promote the car like Ford, like Dodge. They just put it out there. And if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. I've had to explain to people why, like, what a Z01 is and what it means, and I feel like that's crazy that I have to explain that, because this is a monster. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you guys sub to the channel, join the Smooth Life gang. We will have a lot of racing, a lot of crazy content through 2023. I promise you that. If you are a viewer, you already know I've been dropping that heat. So If you're new, you're go ahead and push that sub button and like this video, man. But y'all know the vibes. Smooth Life Ty is out.